Emily discovered a hidden gate in the old wall behind her house. Curious, she pushed it open and stepped into a secret garden. It was a world untouched by time, full of vibrant flowers and chirping birds. In the center, there was an ancient oak tree. Under its branches, Emily found a rusty key. She wondered what it might unlock. Exploring further, she came across a small pond where frogs leaped and fish swam peacefully. Nearby, a path led to a forgotten greenhouse. Inside, plants of all kinds thrived, basking in the sunlight filtering through the cracked glass. Emily used the key she found to open a small box in the greenhouse. Inside, there were packets of seeds and a diary belonging to the garden's original caretaker. The diary detailed the love and care put into the garden. Inspired, Emily decided to restore the garden. She spent her days planting new flowers and fixing the greenhouse. The garden became her sanctuary, a place of beauty and peace. Emily learned that sometimes the most extraordinary places are hidden in plain sight. Waiting to be rediscovered and brought back to life.